My name is Rebecca. I'm an instructional coach at a school, and my rating for Paycom is a 5. We use Paycom so that we can track our paychecks. We put a lot of the trainings that we have to do on Paycom, so we have it all in one place, which makes it really nice and organized. It also allows us to track days off, sick time, PTO, requests for days off. All of that is in one place, which makes it really nice and helpful that we only have to go to one app for everything. I really like that with Paycom, I can find everything just with the app on my phone. It's super user friendly. I don't have to pull it up on my computer, but I do have that option. But I can just, looking at my calendar, if I need to request a day off, I can go onto my phone and do that. It's very easy to use. There's a lot of tutorials that can help you with using it as well. But I've just found that for myself to stay organized, it really helps having it all in that single place. There's honestly nothing that I really don't like about Paycom. I really have found that I enjoy using the app. It's really been helpful for me as an employee to keep everything organized. We honestly, originally we used to have all of our paperwork and page stubs and all of that in different places. So now going from that to having it all in one place has just made it so easy that there's honestly nothing that I don't like about the app.